Hey, what's up, guys? We be with the Aliens team. I've got an upload right now for you guys, a double upload video where, according to Pinot, there is a guy who just suggested that there is a inside UFO footage. According to ufology on the National Science, he says that there is an inside UFO photo which is going viral on the internet, and he claims that this relationship supposedly went on for roughly 2 decades and included the extraterrestrials just allowing a photographer to come inside a flying saucer and take the pictures of the control cabin as well as the pilot. Unfortunately, the monochromatic photo of the cabin looks more like the inside of a dollhouse bathroom, and he also claims that while the alien pilot bears a striking resemblance to a man wearing a wig, a dark cloak, and a pair of sunglasses. And according to him, he says he's one of the leading Italian UFO researcher, and he also says the military officer with a degree in politics and sociology, and one of the founder in the UFO organization. He has a lot of backgrounds, but he claims to be the recently cited photo that came upon in a. You can right now check it out, guys. I cannot just explain this. I mean, what's going on out there? It's something that inactivity, or it's artificial from the earth. That's what I could say. So this is what the alien life raises up questions and questions. So until then, stay safe, guys.